told you guys that in Journey of Life we meet people. I met Chica, the travel vlogger. You see her? And guess what she's taking me to? Guys, I'm on a journey. I can't remember the last time I did this. Probably when I was in India though. But hey, let's do this. Nature. Listen to the rhythm. She's like really awesome. Oh my god, this is like really awesome. Oh. Waterfall. Where's this place again? Where's this? Atinima Waterfall. So I'm here at Atinima Waterfall, and this is like really cool. Can you see it? Like it's really cool. Oh, this is so pretty.